B3. Advanced Functional Materials for a Sustainable Environment. At the intersection of chemistry and material science lies the sol-gel process, a method for creating inorganic networks at the molecular level. It begins with hydrolysis, where metal alkoxide precursors react with water, forming reactive metal hydroxide groups. As these molecules collide, they undergo condensation, linking together to form a complex three-dimensional network. This transforms a liquid sol into a semi-solid gel, granting us unprecedented control over the final material's composition and purity. To translate this molecular network into a physical structure, we utilize electrospinning. Electrospinning is a versatile technique used to fabricate continuous fibers with diameters ranging from micrometers down to the nanometer scale. By applying a high-voltage electric field, a polymer solution is stretched from a needle, forming ultrafine fibers that are collected as a porous, non-woven membrane. These electrospun fibers possess unique properties, including a very high surface area, interconnected porosity, and tunable morphology. These characteristics make them highly attractive for a wide variety of applications. In environmental engineering, electrospun nanofibers are used in advanced filtration systems for air and water purification. Their porous structure allows them to efficiently capture particulate matter, microorganisms, heavy metals, and organic pollutants. They are also being investigated for wastewater treatment and environmental remediation. In biomedical applications, electrospun materials can mimic the extracellular matrix found in natural tissues. Because of this, they are widely used in tissue engineering, wound dressings, and controlled drug delivery systems. Their high biocompatibility and ability to support cell growth make them promising materials for regenerative medicine. Electrospinning is also applied in sensors, protective textiles, and energy storage devices. Due to its simplicity, versatility, and scalability, it has become one of the most important technologies for the development of advanced functional materials.